Today we're going to show you how to cook vegan style black-eyed peas. Greetings and thank you for watching this video. My name is Sydney and this is the Naked Garden channel. After watching this video, I hope you learn how we cook black-eyed peas the vegan style. If this is something that you're interested in and would like to learn, watch other videos about similar videos of this, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. We have smoked salt here, sea salt, freshly ground pepper, Goya seasoned with different herbs and spices, pinto beans, seasoning, Old Bay leaves, liquid smoke. We have some mixture of orange, green, and yellow bell peppers. I saved the seeds, so we're going to be planting those in our urban backyard garden. Some jalapenos that I diced up. I took half of the seeds out of it so it won't be as spicy. I also saved the seeds on those so that way we can put them in the garden. Some garlic, some onions, plant-based butter, and vegetable broth. And the main ingredient, the black-eyed peas. Growing up in my household, we always knew what we were going to be eating. Monday and Tuesday, beans. Wednesday and Thursday, beans. Friday, fish fry. Thought I was going to say beans, huh? Saturday, basically fend for yourself. And then Sunday is basically church dinner. We ate beans so much, I got tired of eating beans. It didn't take me till I was enlisted into the Air Force, so I realized why we ate so much beans. One, they were cheap, and two, because my mom couldn't cook anything else. She wasn't a good cook. So I'm going to show you a much improved way of eating black-eyed peas. All right, now I'm going to show you how to kind of start this off. We're going to take about 2 tablespoons vegan butter. If you don't have vegan butter, you can use coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. We just try to use basically plant-based items and ingredients when we cook. So you put this on medium-high heat, get the butter nice and melted. I know some of my family members are probably thinking, oh my God, he's actually going to be eating some beans. So, now that's all going, we add the onions. And what we do with these is we'll get these nice and sweated out. Normally these will take about 3 minutes. Very easy process. I'm gonna get it nice. Look how good. I wish I could smell this already. And if you have issues cutting onions, just a simple tip is put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour before you cut it, and it reduces the odor that the onion puts off, so you won't have to tear up so much when you're cutting onions. All right, that looks good enough. Then we're going to add the peppers. Doesn't that look beautiful? Yeah, when growing up, I used to hate beans so much. I just told my mom one time, Mama, me no eat no more beans. I'm tired of beans. And all she could do was just laugh. And ever since then, I've been eating ramen noodles when they were eating beans. Ramen noodles was cheap back then too. You used to get a whole box for like under $1. So now that is all good. Now we're going to add the garlic. As you can tell, I love garlic. Love it, love it, love it. So we add garlic in here. And add enough garlic to your liking. once you start smelling the garlic, that's when it's time to go on to the next step. So we got that going. Smell it, smell it, smell it. Now we're going to add the jalapenos. This is not your normal black eyed peas. It's a little plant-based with a soul and a twist. The Naked Garden twist. Then we add the salt. Because like Chef Emeril Lagasse would say, none of your vegetables that you buy come seasoned, so you have to season it yourself. You do just about a tablespoon or so. Try it out. Then we add some freshly ground pepper. Oh my God. Doesn't that smell good, babe? Mm-hmm.
I'm sad we gotta wait for tomorrow.
I know. This right here alone just makes me want to eat the beans. Me and the missus been doing a plant-based diet for about a year now. Yeah, it's been almost a year this month.
Just over a year. Yep.
Yeah. And we noticed a big difference in our lifestyle from that. Now, here comes the Goya seasoning. And then we just cook this about until it gets filled all mixed through here. All right, now we got the mixture ready. All we're going to do is just add that to the black eyed peas. That's good there. Then we're going to add some vegetable broth to it. Enough to cover the liquid, your beans and the ingredients in there. There we go. That looks about good. Then of course, add some more smoked sea salt. Freshly ground pepper, more Goya seasoning, and a little bit of some bean seasoning. Then add a tablespoon of liquid smoke or so. And then we're going to add, let's say 3 bay leaves. Then we mix that all in there, get that good loving. Don't that look awesome?
Looks delicious.
And it can't get any easier than that. Put it on low and cover and get ready for, let it cook overnight until we get off of work tomorrow. And it's that. If that seemed very easy, comment down below with "Let's grow together." Now, you can eat these alone or with rice. Our option that we're going to be using or eating these with is with some collard greens. If you like to learn how to cook collard greens, click on the link above here and it will take you to there so you can see how we cook a vegan style collard greens. On our next video that we're going to be providing to y'all is going to show you how to make a tomato onion relish to go on top of the collard greens, or you can even put it on the black-eyed peas. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. So like I said before, our next video will be doing the tomato relish that will be going on top of these dishes. If you know someone that will enjoy cooking vegan style food, please share this video with them. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I will provide the link below so that way you can follow me. And we will be doing a daily pictures of what is going on in our garden life. Until then, let's continue.